pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Kemp Mill, local and long-distance movers near me. When we move long distance, we are usually more concerned about our packages and stuff to reach safely and in good condition. So to get your belongings safe and damage-free, consider working with us at the 3 Mover Services. We ensure the safety of delivery till the belongings reach your doorstep. A long-distance move can be a little stressful for you, as you may be moving across the country or between states. Settling in a new area can be a little challenging for you. Moreover, there may be a chance of unforeseen risks, especially if you don't know anybody there very well. That's why you need highly trained staff that can at least take care of your packages or moving stuff. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kemp Mill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.